Introducing the Oukitel RT7 Titan, a rugged 5G tablet designed for those who demand extreme durability, powerful performance, and unmatched battery life. With a massive 32,000 mAh battery, this device ensures you never run out of power, making it perfect for professionals, outdoor adventurers, and anyone who needs a reliable tablet for extended use. Its 10.1-inch FHD Plus screen delivers a crisp and immersive viewing experience, ideal for work, entertainment, or navigation. Built to withstand harsh environments, the RT7 Titan is shockproof, dustproof, and waterproof, making it the ultimate companion for demanding conditions. Whether you're in the wilderness, on a construction site, or working in extreme temperatures, this tablet is built to survive and thrive. Detailing its connectivity and other features, the Oukitel RT7 Titan supports 5G networks, ensuring ultra-fast internet speeds for seamless browsing, streaming, and online work. It also features dual SIM slots, allowing you to manage two numbers simultaneously for business and personal use. With built-in GPS, NFC, and Bluetooth 5.2, this tablet ensures accurate navigation, convenient wireless payments, and efficient device connectivity. The inclusion of a USB-C port with OTG support means you can connect peripherals such as external hard drives, keyboards, or even use it as a power bank to charge other devices. The rugged design is complemented by a reinforced body and military-grade certifications, making it resistant to drops, water, and dust, ensuring durability in any environment. When it comes to price, the Oukitel RT7 Titan offers excellent value for money considering its premium rugged build and high-end features. While the exact price may vary based on region and retailer, it generally falls in the mid to high price range for rugged tablets. Given its massive battery, 5G capability, and powerful internals, this tablet is competitively priced compared to other rugged devices in the market. For professionals, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts, the investment in this tablet ensures long-term reliability, making it a smart purchase. Keep an eye on online retailers and special promotions, as discounts and bundle deals may be available to make this powerhouse even more affordable. Talking about performance, the Oukitel RT7 Titan is powered by a robust processor, likely a MediaTek Dimensity chipset, providing smooth performance for multitasking, gaming, and professional applications. With 24 GB of RAM, 12 GB physical plus 12 GB virtual, the tablet ensures lag-free operation even with multiple apps running simultaneously. The 256 GB internal storage offers ample space for files, apps, and media, with expandable storage options via microSD. Running on Android 13, the user interface is fluid and customizable, with improved security features and app compatibility. Whether you're working on documents, editing photos, or playing games, the RT7 Titan delivers impressive speed and efficiency for all your needs. If you're looking for a tablet that excels in battery life, durability, and performance, the Oukitel RT7 Titan is a top contender. With its rugged design, night vision camera, powerful internals, and 5G support, it stands out as one of the best options for those needing a tough yet high-performing device. Let us know in the comments what you think about this powerhouse. Would you buy the Oukitel RT7 Titan? Stay tuned to Tech Vibe for more tech reviews, comparisons, and in-depth analysis of the latest gadgets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Tech Vibe.